isa cia bilingi wa mauvo
Watinda tamsesi ya Mutongo TV tu wathanthatu wa matuku muonza mwini wa 12 mwaka ni wa 2024 nitho chande ni wa bilingi wa mauvo mudoni wa saumu na nusu nita wa Faith Ndenya na ni kwetea mavoni na Kesha Rondinda kwanzia ya meko ndi tuamba ukwata mwala tukumbanisye kwanzia ya ukuve
ala tukumbanisye ni vamwena
President William Ruto kumya weta na kwenthesie ungu wa ngwatanio ya Afrika umiloni wa suai mkwate mba Raila Odinga masemba nini ma AU. Ene matongolo kuweta Kalonzo nutoete kivila cha usumbe maimukuli andaketi kile kutuika munini wa musumbe. Siana mesiene ya kuisovea ngomeni masako kukwata utethyo vindani engalama ya mekalile vinyeye ando wa inge. Na silikali kwenda ene ndime yandikithi na kinando cha uchawiti cha chief.
Bilingi wa mauvo
na hindi tuyambililia mavoni kana President William Ruto ni umya wita na kwende ilasi ungu wa ngwatanio ya Afrika ya umiloni wa sua kumukwata mba Raila Odinga ni kanaviki kusinda kivila cha umwene kivila wa ngwatanio ya Afrika AU aini miaka untini ya Mombasa kavindani kalawa vingu wa mathau maa yumbe mambunge se ilembe taye Ruto ni waweta kana yene ivinda yande kwethe wana Mutongo wa Afrika andheni wa mwanya o wala wa mweta Raila tawe utoi kawa kiwango cha yulu cha utongo yulu wa utongo itao Angelina Muse ena Vombeange.
Ainene chino kuvingwa rasmi mathau maa yumbe kuma mbungeni sianthi ya Afrika ya umiloni wa sua President William Ruto no watakana yune vinda yanthi ikumi ya Mutongo wa kutongo ya sielembe ta ya Afrika vala wa makulia maviki ya kuunga metino wa Raila Odinga na ula wa muwetakana ena mwiki ya monene na utongo iwake.
I want to ask all of us, because we have an opportunity as East Africans to produce the leadership of the Africa Union. This time round, it is the opportunity for East Africa to produce the chair of the Africa Union. And in our midst, we have a solid candidate, a man with tremendous experience, a Pan-Africanist, who can take this continent to the next level.
Ruto nukuwetakana utuika ulawi na Raila Odinga nutoe tukuidhu andhini wa utongo wa yuluta u awetakana vena vata andhisi ya ilembete ya Afrika umiloni wa sua kuunga maitina wake.
I ask you as East Africans that we stand united behind the candidature of our former Prime Minister, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, so that he can provide the leadership of this continent that is so much desirous to take our continent to the next level.
Wanawiyo Ruto ni wawetakana tamwane kivilo ngwatini ya Afrika umiloni wa sua nukufikia kuikithi kanani wa sukumesi ngwatini na umwe na ulo kufikia kuokiliande iki ukwati na kwa ili ya maunduma utanedhia ingini ukuwetakana ile meta yini yetikala nite kwa ili ya maunduma ukui kuisila motamba wangali ya maki wa SGR na ulo kuendesi ya motamba ukufikanthi ya Uganda, Rwanda na DRC Congo.
And the success of each and every country is our collective success. We must encourage positive competition that makes us grow our businesses, our enterprises, our engagements in all aspects.
We have a simple unwritten law and we want to make it law. And this applies to all our visitors who come to Mombasa. Kindly, when you come to Mombasa, make sure that all your money is going to be finished here before you go home.
Tunajua washindani wetu wakubwa ni Uganda, wa Kenya. Pamoja na kwamba tumeumia, lakini kazi itakuwa hapo bado, Mheshimiwa Rais. Tunakwenda kutingisha Mombasa, itatingishika.
In the spirit of brotherhood, we wish all of you well. Your win is our win as East Africa. I say this for God and my country.
Wanawiyo mathau ana alama kutoe wanginya matuku 14 mamoi uwa 12 ni mawetu kuidhu atamava nite kuwete umwana ngwata ni wakati wa mbunge isionthe kuma Afrika ya umiloni wa sua vamwe na kwa ile luka ya Kiswahili.
Ile tutafanya Mheshimiwa Rais ni tuanze kupeleka walimu wetu wa Kiswahili Somalia, pia wasaidie nchi ya Somalia ihamasishwe kwa Kiswahili. ili iendelee kuwa lugha yetu ya Afrika Mashariki vile ilivyo lugha ya kipekee ya Afrika ambayo inatumika katika African Union as an official language.
Hii inaleta utangamano, inaleta umoja na inaleta undugu baina ya nchi hizi ambazo zinaleta Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki pamoja.
Let us remember the theme of these games, enhancing regional integration. Never forget the spirit of deepening, widening, and tightening regional integration.
We're here also to participate in the games and strengthen our East African ties. As you are aware, Somalia is new baby in the East African family, and we are proud to be part of everything that grows our region, our beautiful region.
Ngilivotia vilingi wa Mauvo kuma kaunti ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Ivindani ye imwesi andongo ikuma ukamba itongowe ni Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka asiende kuivasi amba ingeke uteti kuyumbanisia usakwani wa mwaka wangilile miongwele na muonzayu amwema enende kuma matongolo ni mamwenda Kalonzo ndakasioke itina ndeni wa itambia ye enende ani mawe takanava ikitumio na kimwecha kusiya Kalonzo kwa sakivela cha usumbe na ndakese itikila kuunga matamonini wa president ni kwedwa yene yo ivinda yake kumandhanzia ya kutongo esiaba Kenya kuungamana muungamo umwe kwa ndongo ino mawe kuitethesia vanene kuetendai ya kuimbai ya mukamba Boni Mutesia hena ilivoti mbeange.
Ndia ya malezekana vaino dhinono mwe wamba ya mukamba kuendea na umantha ngwatanio katikati wamba ingi na kamba na muno ngwatanio ya ngema ila ende na watu matuka uta na tongo ima ukamba maende na utonye lelavo matongoni nungo ya chama chawe pa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Ndia ya malezekana ni usoeseo ya kutonye lela kwe ngwatanio hivi atiwano nginya nungo ya chama chawe pa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka edho na muungamo mulumu wa kutongo esi andino ya Kenya wate kululute kwa kana edhiwe wakeli ndini wangu watano ino ya kukitekivila cha usumbe mwakani wangili na miongoli na mwonza.
Kuila ndini ya gema tina makosa. Nundobe mwana wito. Nujambe rambio lea tatikali ni eti opposition. Kwa ungema manja na hiyo kete ya opposition kumanda usumbe ula ukitu. Tulana warabia Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Ndakalike ngema. Either running mate. Kethe ndini ya ngema. Either nowe leader. Kuila kivila cha usumbe cha gema. Nakaigema ambio radiati ya moda kashagwa tambi ya mundu ngeti na Kalonzo metho ma Kenyans majority 98% Kenyans isi aicha Kalonzo Musyoka niwa mkombozi wa ndino thito kula kuna ya yolo agema kula agema ni makosa no bandu bangite solika kila kibodi kwa Kalonzo Musyoka kuoko then the ngema then leader wa ngema tiambi otu ya itawa munini wa karoa itawa munini wa kashagwa ijite yenda kiu maya mau au ngamewa kati munenge kula na kunwa kula ni Kenyans
Hayumenda ndongo isionde sia ukamba kulika isioni sia ukamba na kuelesea enende onde useo na uo kusungwatanio ya ngema na ngwatanio ila ingi sionde noka namba ya mukamba yedhuwa na wasia umwe na kusonga mbe na kielelo kemwe wateku yedhuwa na ngusani siona imwe kana enende kulea kuelea noka na kunenge ndongo ino ya chama chawe wapinya
Kalonzo wende na ila uinjo ini andwa avoid these people sana either we makini munona andwa undu kindu kiwe wangema ila I think less than 10 months later kazakwa anaivama president nano igetwe wa Kenya nitulia lia undu na nena kuzuwe ano runewa kilo na nene kuzuwe kambani kwa undu kazao tumandu na kutu mendo urusaliti undu mizara ilo na zaliti ya anzalua igetwe ya kamba tuwe menaku na tutenda kindu kingi na kelange menwa na ni kutethia uko tunenge neza ubo directions neza ito no tutethia ata ikambi yengi tusiaze tunenge kula ibethoni ngona ikula sia 2027 yotheka ito amanio ndungi na tuyoe utunenge directions zeo sia engema ikautethia ata na kuni kienda utethia mbaye zitu ili akamba tunakula nakula tie line ya wao kamba ni milioni ile kula tu inazo Kalonzo
mondo yao nthe na muunga mondo ngwina chama cha Wiper maweta kana wetenda yanene kwimba ya kamba maiweta kana ndongwina chama cha Wiper mavinda maingi thitwe yathukia andu angi gutongwesya nthino ya Kenya kwa ngontheu na kumakwa tambau ani vinda iseo ya ndongwina kuona nyamunga mumulumu na gutongwesya nthino na kuunga maimwe kukitia kivila cha usumbi kana cha president ula ukite
president ula twetelete ndukatewe wia ila we mwanie na kuweza we mundu muungamu ukambia ukwe twende Ndonu twende Kilimanjaro twende Narok kwithia wikito direct waja kwa unya ndino ndungi ndo no tabia president ula twetelete wa Kenya Kalonzo kilangu kuya tende na kuboya ngai bona azumbi wa umoka ambani na ito tuteveke tweka watu wayengite yangite umene awaowe
uneni wowe kakavindanika kwa mama enende kana tungu imethito maivuthisya ngwatano ino ya ngema maiweta kana mbaya mukambo yunde silikalini anowetonya kuswa silikali ya Kenya kwanza na gikatonyeka etho wakethwa ngwatano na tongo ikuma mbaini ingi kaundini ya Masaku matongolo nyeni toboni mutisia
ni muvea muno Boni Mutisia na indi tuisonga na mbeni kana ko utalo munene wa enenthi vanthe ya Kenya uende na kuvinyiwa muno ni ngalama ya mikalile na ivindani yetu ende kuthengea siku cia kisimisi ni vatonyeka utalo munene wa enenthi na muno alama ukwati munini makae makutani ya siku undu vailite gituminiki ene cianda kivathukanio na alama twaisya iseso ya kutetheesya ciana kuma misini ya kusuvia kiwanzani cha Ngomeni ukamba wa Masaku menda kila mundu avingue ngo na kutetheesya alama ukwati munini isi ni sieke vadhukanyo. Daniel Mwongela ni watu mbanisa ili voti kwa uliku.
Ku ngalama ya mikale yende na utuika mwiwa kwa Akenya. UN sianda kivadhukanyo ni maende na ukulia NND maende na kuwesania vamwe vinanye tithenge masikukuni na weta kana nivatoneka siana ila siikala misini ya usuvia siana kana children's home ikama utetheka vamwe na andu maukwati munini.
Nuseo andu makasiazi katika society ila mai mtu na Biblia ni kwazi enda wana kaindo share o kaindo kauka nini onetha no kiwu ukashare na neighbor waku kana mundu lo wona bata ko withie tukwatanie twiko na indi to no thuthia andu alangi onthe enda wana kaindo muno ebindane ya sikoko wezaithia no wa share na andu alangi ni kana wezaithia kila mundu no wendo na smile katika ka face yake kuno zendo na wetu.
They'll go with something, maybe some sugar, some unga, to be able to really just celebrate Christmas as some of us are privileged to celebrate that Christmas. And if we did this as a community, in every community you stay in, to be able to uplift people's life, contributing something small you have, something extra, you may not have a lot, but just little that you're able to share with everyone around you to just cheer and put a cheer to people's life. That will be remembered. They'll go home praying for you and you get more blessings.
Mane na ivindani awala ni wimwanola waete vamwe siana kuma misieni na ya sub-county ya Masaku undumwana kathiani ala maetu vamwe kutwaisi mawalima mathau na kukwata utethio kuma ngwatanio ni sikivuthukanio yivoila ya Almark International.
When you put a smile on a child's face, then you attract a blessing to yourself.
So we are still asking you to support us in financial if you can manage, and we are appreciating Jillian, Samara, Almark and MIT for all you are working, for your generosity. You are impacting us as children to have that virtue of generosity and charity according to others. Then the team building is giving us that unity. We can unite with the others. Others are being brought with loneliness in them. That trauma can be killed through this team building like today.
Kwa unengo encourage and maituma muikela together na activities sa ima kaumela kwa wingi. Tondo mokio mundu tutonga mubya nundu. Babe andu mamuika ingi kimokie na nitwesika na ime utetheke hapo.
Ukaivindani la asiai maende na ukulwa masovia siana ivindani twende na ulikambukani sia kisimisi nikenda kwikitheka na ivindani usioka maskuru ni siana ni siethe waitalikite metuoni nthuku ileto no manangia mikalile. Daniel Mwongela, Mutungu TV, kuma kiwanzani cha skulu wa secondary wa Ngomeni, Mutiruni County ya Masaku.
Na indi tuisonga na mbele kana enende ni makulwa mose viso ya kuyandikithia na wala ni wa uitisha mate kuvinga muvango usuni kana kuolangala masia uiti la sithitwe inyamasia enende ainge masivitalini ukulo huu umwe ni Dr. Vincent Munyoki valawa weta kana enende kulea kuyandikithia na wala ni usu ni kuikia uima wowa mwe moisioni munene na vena vata wa kuia uima wowa mwembe valawa vanete kuevea enende ngilile maukwati munini kuma kilioni mbunge chake tui cha uthiloni wasua Onesmus Chalo na ilivoti mbeange.
Enende ni makulu meyandikithia na wala nyumo wa kadi ya uiti ya SHA na SHIF ifindani serikali ende na kuthuthia enende kuika kiuno kana kwithwa mateo vinyiwa ni ngalamasi ya uiti mavika masivitali kulio umwe ni mwambilile wa ikundi ya serikali ya Vincent Munyoki Foundation iweta kana enende aingi mayukwata uiti masivitali kumana ukolea kwa saivuso yi
andu twalete kuenda tuweke kuinshua kikumuno tuolwa ni kuinshua health yitu ibindani ino nituwanete vena ila katika health coverage ila the cheapest and the lowest ila kuitwa SHA na SHIF. Health insurance sino si SHA na SHIF ni health insurance ziomono lateka alama we kumebo ila yende na kumekiwa sure ni implemento ibindani ino ngudhudia amwetu ngumudhudia kila mundu webaya tu insure our health tuambie kwekea kithito health yitu tuyende muno tuinsure health yitu ebindani ila kwetu kwa tambanga with hospitali hata ila kana kwa bahati mbaya kailaka kukoa kwa tuweka insure to insure our health.
Munyoki ni waweta kana kadi ya uiti ina manufaa kwe mwene ndina muno alama ukwati munini na alama tonyo kuvinyika manini ni uiti wala wenda meyandikithia kwa wingi matokea wala nyo wa serikali
katika SHA na SHIF na katika kisio keki ya kitu cha Kitui West constituency nyengwa shua kana ningwebea alama matatona kweba SHA mie yambe ngumebea andu mbewa ngili ile katika kisio kitu kenda nimekeshua kila mundu uteno kwati mwanu nukwithila insured na nukunengwa health coverage nundu isunio health coverage ila hivyo nayo the cheapest we have nayo tutona kumekeshua andu maitu nema tona kusiwa katika mwawo na kwela matona kudhisibitali nesa ila kuna mbanga itu kwenda with the health insured na nyeta Vincent nengu ashua kana alama mabine 2000 of them I will pay their insurance and make sure they are registered with SHA.
Ona weyo Munyoki nwa weta tangele kanyanzi yako kwa tamba na kwithia yendethese enende buso iya kukitana ngalamasi ya mikalile no kwithia yandikithia enende ngilile kuma Kitui cha uthiloni wasua no kana matetheke na wala nyo wa kadi ya uiti televote ablingo mavo Mutongo TV nito Onesmus Chalo.
Unda misiaisi ya Mutongo TV siungamete saa umwena ndateka miongo ine na muonza kwa oitu ambako semba udhiu mwoni mukuve hini ndukadhiva asani tusiokethetie.
Siku kuni nitwenda maundu maseo nundu yithia wathibinda ya kutana onayo inzebe yithia wathimba ilu oundu wendete onaituva Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM nitukwenda kukuongelela useo uu nitukunenga discount ya siku kuu ya kutanga sithia na itu nikenda umanye nitwitha tukutambuite iyo sehemu thinzi uwa siku kuu tene tukunesi mukwisila noti muonza noti thandatu itano noti oyu lilikana no utangasithia nginya Facebook page ya Mutongo TV na page ya Mutongo FM ovamwe na channel cha Mutongo TV /FM YouTube. Yuki wanza ni chaananie nuwe wikwete ni offer ya Christmas na mwaka mweu ya kutangasithia biasala kana wia waku va Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM ngwatanio ya mukamba tukuniesi mukwisila noti muonza noti thandatu itano noti. Siasa ni undu umwe na ndwele mesoko umwe na mbui ungi na nguli pe umwe kumbi wani andu ingi na vya ulokwisa kwinuka na mbesa
pe andu megwa akamba maisilikalini kwani nyeninza duo
Atuko kubale na Ruto atituwe na serikali mseto, atuna mseto.
Uteti ni undu umwe na kusima, lasima wikale utete makenge. Vaiki vathukanio kinene cha siasa na kutha. Ndwa ile kuilela chonde kilawe nacho na kumana saasi ya kukola kuivata.
I will be loyal and faithful.
Rigathi Gachagua has committed crimes. That is the threshold.
Please leave me alone. Ni waile kusisia muno undu ukose kanduni uteobuthia mundu ona wiba na uimanya baiyi kaya ubuthiisia.
I have almost become a lonely voice in the presidency.
Before you tax us, give us jobs.
Siasa ni kumanya kuthima nzeve na kunenga andu kila mekwenda.
So Kenyans, if you hear Ruto will be one term, you begin to say ataiba, atafanyika namna gani. It will not happen.
Asami nimeseka na kwecha mbeke ni kwenda au tuika na akili yiyulu.
Onangewa ya kwasia nendo tuigarani media mundu. Kiwezwele kwekana nayo.
Na Raila akaunga maingi, na itu tukaunga ma, na Ruto akaunga ma, kagonga namba ita.
Ilembera yiyo kamba yona tongo. Andu bato no kwikana makeka plan.
Tongo witu teisia ni sena teitethia ni cia withie netamuongela lato
Mheshimiwa Kalonzo ni wali tukwende leaders ya onde
tusisie ekumbelie chao komana na Erastus Kithuku Anzomo ndini wa kilungu cha ekumbe ya siasa kila wachumwa kwambia saa 3:30 cia wiyo ha Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM ngwatanio ya Mukamba. No withukiisya Mutongo FM wibala ui kwisila app ya Mutongo FM na ila itumia bundles ni nivyo lika kwa Google Play Store kana App Store udownload app ya Mutongo FM kana ulike kwa www.mutongofm.co.ke. Mutongo FM ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Nikalivo niende na kumanyithia na indi tuisonga na mbene kana muvea wa uiti Kenya ni waweta kana kinando chaucha uiti chief nikiungamia maundu makoneti thina wa kileko vamwe na uiti. Mwandiki mutini kama muveani wa uiti Mary Muthoni ni umia weta no kwa enende aimakulia mekavikie kukilia yelame na mathina indi mavikie kunena makwate utethio. Muthoni ni wongela kana kunena ni kutonya kuola mathina ala mekumbelete andu kwivo kwiyumia thayo kaumisini na akakuwawa.
At this time, when many people are having challenges because of sometimes childhood abuse, poverty, long-term ailments, there are many causes really of mental health. And the Ministry of Health has taken this to a higher level to ensure that we address these issues through creation of awareness to the communities. So I am happy with the Catholic Church for, especially the Kerugoya Catholic Church, for taking this a notch higher and engaging the community leaders together with the national administration so that they can see that families do not continue getting torn apart. The increased cases of gender-based violence. You saw the other day there's a lot of femicide in the country, and some of it is due to, it's not just normal crime, really. It is actually mental health illness. The rising numbers of suicide and murders, really, which has taken a toll on all of us. Mental health is not just a personal struggle, but it is a community struggle, and that is why I am happy that this community has come together to talk about it openly. Despite the many challenges that we have and the realities of life in the villages, the stigma continues in our communities. And to the response of this, the Ministry of Health I am aware that in the Social Health Authority, we have injected this as part of the services that will be offered in our health facilities. So too often mental health illness is dismissed as a spiritual failure or a moral weakness, and it leaves those who are affected to suffer silently because nobody wants to talk about it. But let us be very clear that mental health is not weakness. It is a medical condition that must be attended to at any given time. And seeking help is not a shame. It is an act of courage. So anybody out there who could be having mental health illness should be able to come out and seek medical attention. Register with the Social Health Authority, and when you go to hospital, you will be treated. And a call to action is together we can heal, because probably we could be walking patients and we do not know what we are suffering from. It is important to seek help. The Ministry of Health recognizes this as a key public health priority, and we have put in place several interventions to ensure that the promotion, the prevention and support of the same is taken care of.
Atongo imandeni vamuna member sektani ya witi ni mendekethia Kenya alamethia wana mawendi me mwanya special needs makona waendeni wa mianya minene ya utongo isilikalene maine na chatheni cha kuvingwa ivuko yemwe a gift from God na yela yandikitwe ni timu na mohia wa kanisa wa ACK kuyaka wa sukari Ruiru kaunti ya Kiambu ni makulia muvea wa uiti na wima wa mwenende wongele uiti wa therapy ndeni wa ndevi ilasi ya silikale ungwa muvango wa Taifa Care maitula mwete ya utongo wa President William Ruto kwa kilame uweteta kuvathwa nthini wa mianya ya mawea masilikale.
I have gone through this journey of raising a child with special needs. And through the journey, I have learned so many things. Caregivers sometimes are neglected. They go through overwhelming time. People don't understand them. They need to be empowered so that they can help these children realize the assignment or their purpose on earth.
I want to address our government because, you know, you have maybe a child with special need, but you cannot go to the hospital with that SHA and maybe get help. You cannot go to the hospital, maybe get therapy because it won't cater. So I'm calling out the government to include the services that can help these people living with special needs.
Recently, I have not seen the government very much aggressive in the issue of supporting people who are differently abled. For example, we need to have somebody who is a cabinet secretary who is differently abled, being given that position to deal with the differently abled people, just to show a great concern.
Mwenda msiaisi ya Mutongo ITV ni muveano ndo wakwendo ya kwilo ila vilingwa mauvo kwa uitu amba kusemba udhiu mwoni mkuve indu kadhiva asani tusiokethetie.
Maisha ni matonya kuvyuvia indi wimundu wina akili nonginya withe wisi kwamba masinga.
Nini sio dhambia mumba, gathambia ona ikoni, gathambia ona wenda ciana ithambie, no nito muthambia ona nguku, ona ng'ombe, ona masivia, kila kindu chonde, ona kuo wende igwe, no thambia.
Vaikindu kithonokete kutata na windi wa kwiyailia maishani.
Othama kasilia kamwe, usoni gwa mwambio la museo. Nuta umeona tabateke. Esilia lile mwolene mwokama katuka masilia komi.
Maunduni maku onthe ekethia nusongete nambe nundu vamwe watuwa wanevia.
Tausi wana hithi bandu bateke nduwe. Mama oswe na mbesa.
Bajewina kapointi.
Ikana nake kamundiye kaela no.
Kamundeje kale kaompenya mundu.
Saingi mundu novita cia matambia maishani na aivaluka indi kusindwa kwa uo ni kwende ya kuikala pala wabalukila ni kuyati kithethesyo kimuka na bayutuku utachesa
Otiwo dimbo kowe ni nyone ni komye kowe asi magwa ni dio mabiaba ake mama wewe twa akanite
kase tumwisinesa ni musoli na ni kamundu kamitulyo na kwichocha kase abikie bauata tuyawa mbuinzao ya yeneke kase ni woneke abilani ambia na babindwa tutambanie na kase itambia kwetambia kila wachumwa wambe ya saili na nusu siaweyo ba Mutongoi TV ngwataneo ya Mukamba.
Musese witu mwendwa Mutongoi TV ni avwila ukambani na yakwata nzeve ya luma na watu mevusa ye kufikia mamilioni ma andu alama tosia isi ya kila muthenya kwa kutangasithia biasala waku kana kumanithia alama evasa ila mundo waku watutia kwisila imanithia sia iku kwa mavombe yange tufikia kwisila nambani ya simu noti imwe ina kenda ile imunana itatu monza kana ututume email kwisila sales@mutongoitv.co.ke. Mutongoi TV ni yongwatanio ya Mukamba tukwatane twaile biasala situ
na udhochandeni wa kilungu cha dhambalala
ndume numenete kukuthukiwa ni kiveti onathe mundu muka eana ni munene eana kiembe na mundu ume mebiano toothpick kama tumiende twesu numenete kukuthukiwa ni mundu muka
kilungila kikukia kila wathandatu kwambia saile na nusu sia wiyo
edwa wikalatha yukwenda edwa ni mwitu muthenya mwoka twawa withie wiungua muome waku wiungua mundu na edwa walekilwe wika yundu kwenda ukathina
ona ira ni kwaku kuna salute we mutambue tu ni kana kwithwa mugo ndini wa musi nundu no mena kulea kutambulika na mapinda mengi cyo kutumiwa anda koa ni kana mumana chao
wikala life with a control nini nabaka wikala na control da yundu tuonyekane kulechu itendelanso itonyeko
ndukende kwasia mwana nukomete na wewe umoka wewe umoka udhandonde uyani mwitu yawe aende wakomelelie mwana
yonthe ometoke ni mutanisia wambiye kwidepend na ida uisaki ukwenda ukaiya
musubie na ndukamwelekanye nonge usungi wani yako yanza ni mauso wesia oni we atikoke
Kanisa wa PCA Scottish Mission Ulawi County ya Makueni Kibwezi kiliombunge cha Kibwezi Thange Ward wambiwe ni missionaries monza kuma Scotland alama vikie Kibwezi matuku 16 mwezi wa 10 mwaka wa 1991 alama Thomas Watson, George Gregg, Ulawa engineer John Linton, Raman na Moffat. Nundu wa kuthinwa muno ni nyamu cia kithekani na wowande tema na mawithiluluko ma Kibwezi ni mamuie kumanda isio ila matonya ikalasi na mawithiluluko mailu. Kanisa wa Kibwezi oyu wina thaithi miongo 32 na musi wa kusobia ciana ndiwa ula wina ciana miongo 4. Matuko kenda mwini wa kenda mwakani wa 1991 Central Youth Committee ya kanisa wa PCA Kibwezi ne maakie ukuta na tuvule nthini nundu wa kulilikana missionaries alamatiwe ni mathayumo katikati wa mwaka wa 1991 mwaka wa 1991.
Ikalivo nende na kumanyithia naende tuisonga na mbeni kana Minister wa maendeleo na nimana indo Dr. Andrew Wia Karanja muthenyani wayo no vitukithisie amoika ya naimwe na miongwena na alame na wendi wani maku ya Embu tanzia imwe ya serikali kwa ilia uimi kisioneke. Karanja ni waisie kana ene nzia imwe kwesila serikali ya umwe kana broad-based government ya kuseuvya mianya ya mawe ya kwe amoika na kuongelanga usiaithia wale uisioni sianduani. Amoika ameweteta makathukuma kwa vakuvena aimi kumanenga utethio wa kwithiwa na nimanzeo mamona kwa ilia nzia cia kutoa isianima va Kenya.
Hii ni mpango ya serikali ambayo tunashirikiana na kaunti zote zetu ili tuboreshe mambo ya nyajani extension, kwa sababu tunajua kaunti ina maofisa wameitwa hapa, umeona ni wachache, si wengi sana. Kwa hivyo serikali kuu na kaunti wanajumuika pamoja kusema ya kwamba wakulima wanahitaji huduma, wapewe mawaidha, wapewe mambo mengine ya vile wakaimarisha biashara zao za kilimo, lakini lazima wawe na watu ambao wanashikilia, na hao ni hao agripreneurs, hao vijana wetu. Kwa kila ward hapa takuwa na watu 7. Hawa ni 140, watakuwa na watu 7 kwa kila ward. Na ni Kenya mzima. Hii ni mpango ambao tumeanzisha ili tukijumuisha na counties tuimarishe mambo ya huduma kwa wakulima wetu.
Munene wa maminista ulenge no minister maondoni makoneti ende sianza Musalia Mudavadi ni wavika cha theni cha kutani ande ya Finland kila cha ende andeni wa embassy ya Finland Kenya bala ethoke tuene ambassador wa Finland va Kenya ngwata nione ila yethetwe ya uine ko munene kwende isiele.
On 23rd March 2023, Kenya and Finland held the 4th round of bilateral political consultations to enhance bilateral and multilateral cooperation, peace and security, trade and investment, labor mobility, people to people, as well as development cooperation. These consultations provided an opportunity for our two states to evaluate the status of our long-standing relations, mutual interests, and existing cooperation, as well as explore how to upscale our engagements. We look forward to the next round of consultations in March 2025 in Nairobi. As we continue to deepen our cooperation, we welcome Finland's support to Kenya's ambitious initiative to enhance Nairobi's position as a global multilateral hub. We proudly host the United Nations Environmental Programme, UNEP, which affirms Nairobi as the global capital for environmental diplomacy. Further, we support the expansion of the United Nations operations, which will bring together 20,000 staff under the umbrella of the United Nations office at Nairobi Union. As I conclude, permit me to underscore Finland's contribution to our regional peace and security efforts, particularly in enhancing stability and democratic processes in the Horn of Africa and the Democratic Republic of Congo.
I see that the relationship between Finland and Kenya is doing very well indeed. Karibu marafiki. This year, we are also celebrating 60 years of Kenya's diplomatic relations with the world. Congratulations on this. And I am very, very pleased to see Your Excellency here. And we were just talking about the fact that it's a good week. We started it together at the KICC on Monday morning, marking Kenya's diplomatic journey. And there were a lot of pictures about our relationship and President Moi's state visit, other visits up there. And now we are concluding the working week here at the Finnish residence. we both do feel a bit guilty that we're not running in Eldoret tomorrow, but I suppose that that's going to be okay. Now, our Independence Day comes towards the end of the year. Not quite as close as Kenya's. Jamhuri Day is in 6 days, on the 12th of December, but close enough to provide us with a good opportunity to look back at nearly a full year. Now, for Finland, 2024 has indeed been an important one. It also marked the election early in the year of a new president, Mr. Alexander Stubb. In June, the Finnish population, together with other citizens of the Union, went again to the polls, this time for European Parliament elections. These both elections were very important. A new European executive has also just taken office in Brussels on 1st of December. Now, if I look at the two elections, they send a very strong message that both Finland, as a member, and the European Union as a whole, have maintained a strong outlook of global openness and attachment to the rules-based international order.
Siungamite saa ile na ndatika ikumitu ambako semba udhi umwani mukuvi ndokadhiva asane tusioketheche.
Siku kuni nitwenda maundu maseo nundu yithia waribinda ya kutana onayo inzebe yithia warimba ilu ondu wendete onaituva Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM nitukwenda kukuongelela useo uu nitukunenga discount ya siku kuu ya kutanga sidia naitu nikendo manye nitwitha tukutambuite iyo sehemu thinzi uwa siku kuu tene tukuniesi mokwisila noti muonza noti thandatu itano noti oyu lilikana na utangasithia nginya Facebook page ya Mutongo TV na page ya Mutongo FM ovamwe na channel cha Mutongo TV/FM YouTube. Yuki wanza ni chaananie nuwe wikwete ni offer ya Christmas na mwaka mweu ya kutangasithia biasala kana wia waku va Mutongo TV na Mutongo FM ngwatanio ya mukamba tukuniesi mukwisila noti muonza noti thandatu itano noti.
Mesi yenda kululumirwa.
Kaunti ya Kitini yatongwete kwa siku cia kawa mevaiva mpya Kenya.
Uchumi na nusu. Kisomo nacho kisa 10.
Mayaga morete.
Mutongo uyenda kavilo.
Huko 2027 ni Mungu na wananchi.
Avai maundwa meenda kunena niwa.
Ili ndaila tinayo no lazima bethe bena uwe.
Marriage, it's how you make it.
Bongo witu wena makulyo maingi na wae mose ugwa na kushulukiliwa metoke paile za ngwatani uzio muno katikati wa mwalimu na mushei.
Nindini wa kilungu chatu nena nie kila wakeli kwambia saili na miongo ina siawiyo va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya mukamba wina kwa Veronica Siongua Willy.
Otwende na kutania maisha maki umundi ni useo tulilikanae na kumanya umo witu nikenda tuelewe yo ithi nao tumite ba na ni mituo nyibayae na aumo umaitu alametiwe ibindane ya navutene
mundu mwe au mazia woy na ga moy ega kwa owai woy ndo dela ega wawile wala na benzi yawa
tene kidio chamo kamba cha endi enako
ukwetu sio kubudhisia maundu amwe na kwasia ni mavitiwe nebinda kwangelekanyo weni wisi andu mamba imwe ke kamba mayalite kutwana weni wisi niki ndamanya ikomasia nyamu ya ndi muthia uwa
mbaini ega hizi kana ibiti ya ombe atina miola yitu
nimeza na ngondu ya waitu ngetha ngondu ya mulindete na ngetha na ngondu za mufu
kila mutumia wetha muci kila mundu wothe ni wa munenga ndaya
kithio ni kindu cha bata muno nthini ambaye ya mukamba na nitwailite kwitha twisi onethi watikwatia komana na ndakitali munyao
nekilia na thiaga kau nikilia na dhia kaka huko ni ile mutamuku yake.
Kilungu ni cha kithio cha Mukamba kila wakwambĩrĩria kwambia saa 14 na dakika 40 cia wiyo ha Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Nikalivo nende na kumanyithia na indi tuisonga na mbele kana silikali ni yaweta kana niko kitana na utumi wanda wasi ya kuangela vinya kwe athauki kivathukanio ni matongi wa muvea kwa kukilia kivendela cha Kenya yolo sekta ni ya mathau silikali iongela kana athauki ni mailete kwesovia na mayailete kutumia ndawasi ya kuangela vinya kavindane kalame utoa yesi ya mathau kivathukanio.
We work together and you have supported ADAC kuhakikisha kwamba through the office of the DCI to identify the offices and the places where this doping is prevalent, particularly in this North Rift area. Your Excellency, I also want to say that we will enhance this program to make sure that we hold the parents, the persons who are in these chemists and all that, we hold them responsible, especially bring them into accountability, especially those who are running chemists where they are using to facilitate doping. And we will continue working with the Ministry of Interior and our security agencies to make sure that we deal with this issue until we kick doping out of athletics. Ya mwisho, Your Excellency, I want to thank Mr. Farouk. We have similar events all over the country, but this one is unique. This one is unique because the patron is a mobilizer and he is able to bring all kind of people together. Nilikuwa nasoma kwa social media watu wanauliza na huyu Farouk ni nani kweli? Na hii powers yake anatoa wapi? Mimi najua Farouk kwa miaka sasa karibu 15. Na mimi najua Your Excellency wewe unamjua pia. His power comes from his friendship with other people.
Nataka niwahakikishie msimamo wa serikali ya kupigana na wale wanauza madawa kwa wanariadha na pia kupatia watoto wetu shuleni madawa ya kulevya ili kuangamiza vipawa vyao. Tutapigana na hao, na nikisema hivyo nasema kwa niaba ya serikali ya Kenya. We will fight them and we will succeed. I've just finished my tour of duty as the Interior Minister of Kenya. And just here in North Rift, there were characters who had dominated parts of this area and caused a lot of terror to the citizens of Kenya. There were some characters called bandits. Elgeyo Marakwet, West Pokot, Turkana, Baringo, Laikipia, Samburu. In the last 2 years, we have waged a war to dismantle those dangerous criminals because they were destroying the future of our country and destroying the peace of our country. I am happy with the support of my brothers and sisters in the security sector, we've been able to make good progress.
Mwana musiaisi ya Mutongoi TV nutungi ya muviano ndo wakuilo ila vilingi wa mavona kwetea mavoni na kesha rondinda kwanzia ya meko na kwa nita wa Faith Ndenya tuwezi anainge mwendoni wa saa 3:30 tukwete uvilingi mbeange.